Enough reggae music. You must have to choose it. I saw them do it at Jamaica, you know. Holy Robert dub.
Yes, I. Robert dub style, straight from jam down to the whole wide world.
You have to tell you now about the real superstar. The youth to run like fire phantom. Name bolt. You don't know me talking about. Lightning bolt run the track like a shot. Gold medal man never slow, never flop. From Trinidad to the world, him a carry the flag. Big up you see the real top dog. When him step on the line, every man get fight. Then know a step bolt a go fly like kite. This art as a set, he gon' make a sound. In a blink him gone, can't see him pan ground. Me say 9.5, dash it out like breeze. World record bust make them freeze like cheese. No dope, no cheat, him clean and proud. Appear right and food, make him strong and loud. Lightning bolt run the track like a shot. Gold medal man never slow, never flop. From Trinidad to the world, him a carry the flag. Big up you seen the real top dog. 3-time champion a Olympic game. 100, 200 in mash up the lane. The crowd a ball bolt in a wave. Jamaica colors spanning back, bold and brave. Me nah lie, him a real dancehall king. If I'm premium, him pose and do the little swing. Smile wide, arms stretched to the sky. Flash like lightning when him pass them by. Run fast, faster than wind. No man can test him in a this sprinting. Bolt a the hero, bolt a the boss. Them still a study how we move so fast. Lightning bolt, when the lightning bolt run the dial man, never slow, never flop. From Trinidad to the world, him a carry the flag. Big up you seen, the real top dog. Big up all the youth who dream big. Take inspiration from Bolt and Dig. Hard work, discipline and style. Represent for yard with a champion smile. Run it selector, Robert dub style. You seen Bolt, the real legend.